What's the meaning of cash for questions? Cash for questions. Cash for questions.
Cash for questions. Cash for questions. Cash for questions refers to a political scandal where members of parliament were alleged to have accepted money or other incentives in exchange for asking questions in the House of Commons. The scandal was uncovered in the 1990s and resulted in several high-profile resignations and investigations. The controversy highlighted issues of corruption and ethical standards within the British political system, and led to calls for reforms in parliamentary procedures and regulations governing the conduct of MPs. Ultimately, the scandal damaged public trust in the political establishment and contributed to a wider sense of disillusionment with politics.